Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have some mail to share with you today. Well, mail. Some mail to share. Happy mail from Hilda. OMG, 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 girl. Look at this. Oh my gosh. I'm getting nervous, so I'm trying to open it without showing the address. So here we go. I'm going right here. Hilda. You guys, she goes by many names. Hilda, Hillary. She's a ninja. She's got ninja abilities. I just got it today, girly. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, I forgot to take a picture, but thank you, Hillary. Oh my gosh. Oh my, look at this creepy crawly thing right here. Girly, what did you do? Oh my god. Oh my gosh. I see a kitty face. Look at this. Oh my goodness. What the heck? Let's see. Oh. Oh my gosh. Wow. Wow. Okay, this is her little note. This is a happy mail. Just want to say hi. Happy Halloween. Oh, Hilda. See what I mean? Hilda, Hillary, Misty Vale. She's so fun. Oh my goodness. Look at this spider. Oh my gosh. You know what I like about it? The body is small and the legs are really long and skinny. Super cute. Look at that. Wait, what's this? I see a Jolly Rancher. Yes. And it's the green Jolly Rancher. Woman, what the heck? What? Oh my god. Look at this gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Wow. I love the color combo. Did you make this? Holy smithers, look at this. That is so beautiful. What? Whoops. And it's not the wooden beads, it's like the plastic beads. Wow. What the heck? I know, I'm enjoying the book. I'm trying to savor everything. Look at the pumpkin. This is a cute one. You girl, I'm going to be putting this on for Halloween. Yes, yes, yes. I don't have a costume, so I'll be wearing these. I'll be the weird lady that's wearing Halloween, t-shirt stuff at the door. This is Halloween. This is Halloween. Hi. October is my favorite. Look at her witch. She put, Nuvo drops. Oh, that is so pretty. And on the windows too. Girl, look at this. Look at her rosettes. Oh, she even has a spider. This is cut out, guys. Is that your machine that cut that? Oh my God. Look at how skinny these are. This is beautiful. Hillary. Wow. Hillary, Hilda, I'm going to call you all your names. This is so pretty. Look at her finishings. Oh my good. Oops. There's another Jolly Rancher. Jolly Rancher. Oh my gosh. Look at, I'm not even opening this thing yet. What the heck? Can you guys see all the details? It's on the broom too. She's got it on her broom. And then she's got her bling here. There's another spider down here. And her rosette. Oh my gosh, I love that rosette. Ooh. And then we have this. Okay, good. I can take this off for a minute. This little spider. She's got the little spiders everywhere. Look at that. It's in here too. Oh my goodness, girl. Look. It says Scream. He's a little scarecrow. She's got touches of the diamond dust. Diamond dust? Oh my God. Okay, I didn't miss anything, right? Is this the paper bag? Oh my God, it's the paper bag. I was just watching. Oh my goodness. One of the ladies I follow, she has a tutorial. Oh, Amber. Lyric lover something, Amber. She has a tutorial for this. Oh my gosh, girly, this is gorgeous. Oh my God. Look at her enamel dot. Not enamel. Nuvo drops. Oh my gosh, Eileen. She's got it down here. She put her Nuvo to work, baby. Work, work, work. Yes, look at the pink. Oh my gosh, that's what I didn't use this year was my Nuvos. She did her hot glue bow, baby. Yes. And there's another. Oh my God. Is that Jason? This one says Fright. Oh my God. I don't want to break that, so I'm going to stick him in there. That is so cool. So the idea is that you could put stuff in here. So I could put photos in here. Oh my gosh. When I go to put the Halloween in. Oh my goodness. Ah, she got some spider web yummies. Oh, this is the Dollar Tree necklace with the bone and the skulls. I love this paper. Look at that. Sweater knit papers. She's got spiders. I love how she did that. And there's the broom. Oh man, this is a die. I just saw everyone hauling this die. I didn't get it. Yeah, so I just didn't get it because I already have a tassel thing. So most likely, you can put whatever for your broom, but this is so cute. And there's another one of the hot glue. Hot glue? Is this hot glue or a bead? Nope, that's a hot glue ribbon. Yes, girl, yes. There's her witch. Yes. Woohoo. I love it. Look at the diamond glitter on this. Oh my gosh. She's got a bat on the hat. And then she's got the witch. Yes, girl. Oh, it's the Dollar Tree wood veneers. That is so cool. Look at all her Nuvo drops. Man, I'm telling you, I missed the opportunity. I didn't use my Nuvos this year. So mad, so mad. And then she's got some straw goodies in here to share with me. Oh my gosh, girl. Look at this one's got the skull and bones. And this one's got the spider webs. What? I didn't miss anything, right? Okay, good. That is so cool. Oh my gosh. And then she's got 31 on here with the bat. Oh, I love this. Love it, love it. She's got more Nuvos. Look at that, you guys. She put her Nuvos to work. And she's got more diamond dust with the glitter. Oh my gosh, the glue gun bows. Oh my gosh, you guys. How cute. She's got all her spiders. Oh, look at her, girl. You did it. Oh my goodness. Is there something in this one? There's candy. I'm taking the candy. Taking the candy. Yes. That is so cool. You see that? That is so cool. Oh my gosh. I need to make one. This is so nice. Oh my God. And there's another tag. Oh my gosh. This is Jason. Is this Jason? Who's the one with the mask? With the hockey mask? I forget. Jason? Yeah, the other one's Michael Myers. Happy Halloween. I think she used the October 31 collection on this one. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is a coffee sleeve. This right here. She used a coffee sleeve to make a tuck spot. She's got her skeleton hands. She made the cotton candy. Oh my God. This is so cool. This is so cool. There's more of the diamond glitter. Oh my gosh, on the rosette. It looks beautiful. Look at that. And she put the candy on there. More of the glue gun fingers or hands. Gorgeous girl. Oh my God, you guys need to go and find her. Follow on Instagram. I'm not sure, she's not doing videos yet. I'm still trying to encourage everybody, get on YouTube, do your video, girl. And she's got 31 on here, more of the Nuvo drops. Man, okay, she's now encouraging me to use my Nuvos. And the spiders here, look at the papers. Oh my God, there's more spiders there. And this one says, know what it takes to be a wonderful person. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, girl. Oh, she shared some napkins. Yes. Oh my God. Now it's time to try and use these babies. Oh my goodness. Wow. I want to decoupage it onto cardstock and put it in probably put it in here for Halloween. Oh my gosh. Thank you, girly. This is so much. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, Hillary. What the heck? Love this. Oh my gosh. Look at this paper right here. Isn't that cool? And it's got 31 circled. I love, love, love how she put it together. Oh my gosh. Oh, she gave me some bags. Oh, that's so cute. Oh my God. Sweet and spooky. Trick or treat. How cute is that? Oh yes, a bunch of lips. Oh, fang lips. Ooh, look at those lips. Oh my gosh. I need me some lips, girl. And she's got candy on here with the more of the Nuvo drops on the banding. Love it. And she continues with the spiders. I love, love, love that. To carry through the whole book. And then there's a ooh. Girl, you got me with him because man, he's crazy. Oh my gosh. I don't like the movie It. No. Is it It? What is the name of the freaking movie? I can't remember the name. Tell me if it's It. Let me know. She used one of the ephemeras from the 31 collection. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is so cool. This makes so much sense, you guys, to do this paper bag junk journal. Oh my goodness, girl. This is so beautiful. I love everything. From the trim to the spiders to the Nuvos. Oh my God. Definitely have to pull out the Nuvo drops and put them to use. Just the way she did it. She touched the hats. Just that little touch, you know, the windows. Oh my gosh, I'm not even paying attention if you're on screen or what. And then she's got her spider theme going throughout the whole book. Gorgeous, girl. I am in love with this book. And thank you so much for sharing it with me. Oh my gosh. I don't know where the bone came from, honey, but it's okay. I'll figure out a spot for it. But thank you, girl. Oh, and before you go, I have one more. This just came in today with Hillary's Happy Mail. They all just come in waves, I guess. And it's the stocking die. Oh my God. Where was this yesterday when I needed it? Oh my goodness. Because I just made a whole bunch of stockings. When we were live yesterday, I made a bunch. And now I don't know where I put it. Oh, there it is. Oh, gee whiz. I could have definitely used those dies to make my stockings. But these are the ones I made. Super simple. Oh my gosh. Hillary, you have surprised me so many times, girly. Thank you so much. I really, really appreciate you thinking of me. And I love, love, love all of your creations. Definitely want to put this to use. I'm going to put some Halloween pictures in here and load it up, and hopefully I can share a flip through. So I don't have an October daily, but thank you for my Halloween book. I am going to love putting it in here. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is amazing. Thank you, thank you, thank you, hun, for everything. And I hope you guys give this a thumbs up. Please check Hillary out. I will share her Instagram and her YouTube links in the description box, guys. Look at this chunky baby right here. I love every bit of it. Thank you so much. I can't say thank you enough. And I'll see you all on the next video. Bye.